Hello dear students, welcome to our first lecture of English 6th standard, English Unit 1, Poem 1.1. The name of the poem is Don't Give Up. Dear students, this is a very simple and short and sweet poem written by Fo Cary. Who is the writer? Who is the poet? Fo Cary. Now, from today, you know we are starting the video lectures so that you can stay safe at your homes and study as well. Okay? So, let's open our textbook and study the poem.
So, dear students, open your English Balbhati textbook to page number 1.1 poem number Don't Give Up. Let me read the poem first. You'll get the idea of how to read the poem with the punctuations, with the pauses. Okay? If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Fo Cary. So, what does the poet wants to say in this poem? The poet is giving a very simple, beautiful message for each one of us. There is a simple message in the poem. The poet advises us never to get disheartened by our failures. What we usually do, we regret on our failures. We stop there, we take a pause and we cry on those failures. The poet asks us, advises us, we should not stop for crying. We should not get disheartened. The good things in the world happen by patience and by the continuous efforts of the concerned people. Okay, let's understand the meaning in the poem stanza by stanza. We'll start with the first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. The poet says that if we have tried and if we have not won in any task, whatever may be the task, your exams or whatever, but you should never stop for crying. अरे ये तो हुआ ही नहीं मुझसे, मुझे तो कम मार्क्स आ गए, इसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने का क्या मतलब है? All this great and good is done just by patient trying. What is the main thing you are supposed to do here? You should never stop for crying, but you should always keep trying. Patience रखना है और try करते रहना है. The next stanza says, though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. So, the poet has given us the example of young birds. When the young birds take their first flight, do you think they start flying when they come out from the eggs? No. They also keep on trying and trying. और अगर वो रोते हुए बैठ गए तो क्या होगा? क्या वो उड़ना सीखेंगे? नहीं. They have to try again and again. They have to stop crying. They have to keep patience. So, once the bird falls, again it falls, and when it flies, when it takes another flight, after every fall, each flight is more higher than the previous failure, than the previous one. With its each try, it grows stronger. The next time, it will obviously keep a little longer. उसकी previous flight से उसकी जो न्यू फ्लाइट होती है फेलियर के बाद वो ऑब्वियसली कुछ लॉन्गर होती है. तो दिस शोज दैट वी शुड कीप आवर डिटर्मिनेशन वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सो दैट वी कैन रेज आवर स्केल्स, वी कैन रेज आवर हाइट्स, वी कैन कम अपॉन आवर प्रीवियस फेलियर. Okay, so the third stanza says, though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. So, dear students, now the poet has given the example of an oak tree. It is said to be sturdy. Sturdy means strong. The oak tree is very sturdy, though every time it comes to the ground with each storm. But again she has always risen and grown loftier and prouder and more strong, more taller. So see, the oak tree is not shaken away by the challenges it's facing every time. Instead, every time it has grown taller, stronger and prouder. So, now the fourth stanza says, if by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Now dear children, do you think कि किसी easy काम के लिए आपको कोई award देगा, कोई prize देगा? Obviously, when you will do a work which is not easy to beat, which is a little difficult, and your trials will be visible from that work, then only you will get the prize over it. So, who the more will prize you for the easy work? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. अगर आपके काम से आपकी trials दिखेगी, अगर पता चलेगा कि आपने victory gain की है from defeat, if you have gained victories after defeat, that is the test that tries you. वो test बताती है कि आपकी achievement में आपने कितने efforts डाले हैं. So despite of all odds, all challenges, you have to rise above your defeats, and then when you achieve this goal and gain victory, that will be your true test, your real victory. Here we end our poem. Let's summarize the poem once more and then we will be ending the lecture. In this poem, the poet encourages us not to give up. She says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, we should not stop to cry. All great and good things have been done just by keeping on trying patiently. So again I am saying, be patient and keep trying on your failures. She first gives an example of young birds and then an oak tree. The young birds, after falling again and again, they still, with the next flight, they grow stronger and they can keep a little longer. In the third stanza, the poetess has given us the example of a sturdy oak tree, the strong oak tree. After many blasts, after many storms also, even when she bowed down to earth, she has risen again and became more stronger and grown more taller and prouder too. And in the last stanza, the poet says that if your work is easy, nobody is going to give you an award on your easy work. So if there is a defeat, you come upon your defeat, you have grown from your defeat and you will give your best, then only you are going to get an award, you are going to receive a prize for that, you are going to gain victory from defeat. So that will be our real test. We don't give up but gain victory after defeat. So in the next lecture you will be getting your PDF in which I will be sending you hard words, meanings and some question answers. You have to practice the poem twice or thrice with your parents and make a notebook of the notes which will be sent to you. You may be called to school for the checking of the notes too. Thank you.